Yeah. Okay. Hi. So today we have my lovely friend Lana, and we're going to be picking all of the onions. So. And putting them in this bowl. I guess we just pick her. So this is fun. So as you can see, most of these are really trampled. Grow too well. Actually, they grew pretty well, but you know, having cats and dogs and children running all over them. Me and Eric and Zell sometimes. I think they grew pretty well. They're pretty big-ish. Some of them. Oh, I got a pretty big one. I got a really tiny one. I got a big one. There's so many weeds. Yeah. Let's just pretend we can smell this. Ooh, that one's okay. Yep. So, ooh. So we're gonna be laying out these out to dry. Well, not out. Yeah, but on some, we're going to spread some newspaper inside, and yeah. No, we're just gonna things that we can check through. My road doesn't actually have that many, so I can picture bring Aurora on the second. Unless I'm like missing a lot.
Hello, I'm just Mr. Cat coming in here to sniff some onions. That's what I'm going to do. No, I don't know if I like these onions. No, I don't. Alright, goodbye.
Alright, nice. So, I guess we're gonna pick some tomatoes real quick. Here. Okay. So, we planted a couple of tomato plants. I think there's 4. Tomato or tomato? Tomato. We could call it tomato if you wanted to, I guess. I think of them more as tomatoes, but yeah. There's some good ones right down in the plant. Now, here's another question. Is it potato or potato? Potato. It's potato. Who says potato? I don't know. These guys like on the sun and it's really disgusting. Ooh! Spoke. Where are we putting them? Just on top of it. I'm going to wash them off. Oh, I forgot to mention. Okay. Did you forget to mention? That my hair's pink now. I guess I just got used to it. I'm not really used to it since I've only had it for like a day, but I love it. It feels natural. Like this is what I'm supposed to be. Oh, I just stepped all over the carrots. Nice. I think it's like. Oh, not sure what else needs to be picked. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna take these inside and spread out some newspaper. Okay, so we just finished scrubbing this off, and we're gonna put down some newspaper so that we can put the onions on it. Yeah. I don't know. It depends on how much we need. Probably 2 on top of 1. I mean, like you can fold one over. Yeah. I'm not sure how much space we'll need. Probably not that much. Alright, here we have our big bowl of onions and such, and I guess we can just set it right there and work our way.
Should we clean them first?
Yeah, probably. Hey, Mom. Yeah. Should we clean them before we set them out to dry? So we aren't washing them. We're just gonna shake them off and wash them later once they're dried. Okay.
Some of them have a really dirty, nasty layer over them.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you just pull that off. This one's tiny.
Ew. Okay, should I just pull that off?
Yeah, just pull it off.
We shouldn't be like peeling them or anything, but like if there's like a wilting
Like,
layer.
this one had a bunch of nasty roots.
Yeah. That one doesn't really need stuff like that.
This one's nasty.
So I guess we should be talking about it. So we've braided onions before, but these stalks aren't really worth braiding. Do you think?
Braided onions?
Yeah. You can like you can to like store them in a cellar. You like braid the stalks together.
No, that's weird. I've never heard of that before.
Yeah, it's really cool. We've done it before and it's amazing.
Okay. I don't think it's that part off.
Should we be braiding the stalks for those? I don't think so.
Okay.
Just leave the stalks on. So, like, you dry onions in the sun and somewhere knocked down. So,
How long do they need to dry?
I'm not sure. I'm guessing just until they're dry. I don't know.
Well, probably a few days only.
Yeah, not too long, I don't think. So, yeah. Not sure what do you like onions, Lana?
Not really. Like, I don't like big chunks of them, but like, put like onion powder in the food. It tastes good.
Yeah, I agree with that.
But I know some people really like the big chunks.
Not
Yeah.
like a little bit in soup is good.
Yeah.
A bit. It depends on the soup. Like some soups just don't taste good. Others taste really good.
Well, I think most of it's good with onion.
Yeah, most of it. Or at least like
Starting to
onion
sprinkle.
powder.
Starting to sprinkle outside a little bit.
I want to go outside in the rain actually.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad we got these pictures for us everybody.
Yeah. So, do you have a garden this year?
Yes, we have a garden. Jill, my sister, started most of it, but then I'm the only one who really works on it anymore.
So did you plant onions in yours?
No, we only planted tomatoes, peas, and Swiss chard. I have a watermelon and cucumbers.
Are your peas still growing? Because I know ours are really low.
Ours died. We found some of the last ones had been eaten by bugs the other day. We planted a whole bunch of other stuff, but most of it didn't grow.
Yeah, we planted corn this year and it didn't do well at all because we didn't get much rain.
Yeah. And we started a lot of things from seeds, but the seeds were a few years old and most of them weren't good anymore.
Yeah, we started almost everything from seeds except for the tomatoes we got as little plants because, yeah, they're easy to start that way.
And we did the thing with some of them where you like put the seed in the bag on the windowsill and it grows some.
That's a neat thing.
Mostly just tomatoes and root and nasty stuff in there.
So do you like tomatoes?
No, I only like ketchup.
I don't either.
Ketchup and tomato sauce.
Oh yeah, you
Like
Because
spaghetti.
you like spaghetti.
Yes.
Okay, I don't think I know. I only know one person who doesn't like spaghetti.
Yeah,
I'm a kid. I mean, a kid, I know. Yeah. Anyway.
I don't really know people that like spaghetti. I don't walk up to someone and be like, "Do you like spaghetti?"
That's true. I don't really do that either.
So I'm sure we know more people that like spaghetti.
Yeah. Hi, Valkyrie.
Valkyrie, are you trying to come?
I would pick you up, but you can't. But I can't really let you touch the. Well, I don't want to touch you with my dirty hands. Alright, I think that's everything. We should take the tomatoes in and wash them.
Yeah.
We got like nasty stuff in them.
Alright, we're gonna take the tomatoes in and wash them.
Hello. So we're putting the tomatoes in the sink so we can wash them off and get them all clean, and then we'll set them up on the windowsill.
Good job.
So you can kind of just lightly wash them.
Yeah. We want to make sure we get all the dirt off nice and good because the onions are gonna get extra dirty.
Yeah. We probably shouldn't have put them in the thing with all the nasty onions.
Also wash your hands.
Well, we can wash our hands once we're done washing all the winter hands. We like soap our hands. Anyway. So, have you ever tried like green tomato?
No, it sounds nasty though.
Okay, no. It's like tomato, but it's like an ordinary tomato, but it's ripe when it's green. And like doesn't change to red, I think.
That's weird.
I feel like I heard about it somewhere, and I feel like it exists, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. It's not that weird. Also, did you know that they thought that tomatoes were poisonous?
Just because they're red.
Just because they're red. Which they probably are. And gross.
Aren't the leaves or something poisonous?
No, I don't think anything of them are poisonous. What did they call them?
There you go.
All of them. Yep. Our lovely row of tomatoes. So,